Hey, Tamara here, and congrats on making it this far. Okay, so we need three things for an online business, right? You need to have a super fast and mobile responsive website, or even better, sales funnel. Two, you need to have an email list so you can build on your leads and subscribers. And three, you need traffic, whether that be organic, free traffic, or paid advertising. Now, what I'm what I got for you today is all three of those things for $1, $1. Okay, there is another option. You can get the free plan as well. But I will go over that in a sec, but I just want to show you the offer for the $1 premium account for your first 30 days kind of thing. You're also going to get a free domain, and they come with, SSL certificates. So, because if you got your domain name from GoDaddy or Namecheap or whatever, then you have to pay extra for, when you have HTTPS, that S, you need that. Otherwise, Google won't show your sites. So, and they can go anywhere from $50 to like $200 a year, right? Well, you get those free with us. So this is the basically three-step fire system. So with the premium plan, you're going to basically get access to, like, unlimited access to 30 online marketing tools, including the website builder, which is very, very easy. And like I said, fast. It's super, our websites are super fast. This is going to be super fast. So you're going to be getting, like I said, for $1, right? And these are everything you're going to get. This is it. All of this, right? You can even have WordPress. If you have a WordPress site already, no problem. Just get a plugin. I think, Updraft is a good one. You can download your whole blog and then open up a WordPress site on Builderall and upload everything, so you're not even going to lose anything, and then we'll host it. And that's the thing, it comes with hosting as well, obviously. So yeah, so you get all of these tools, and the best bet is when we add new tools, because we do it all the time. When you have the premium account, you'll always get those additionally for free. So that's why I love it. And right now, because of, COVID-19, my CEO, I've been with Builderall. I'm a certified partner with them for 2 years. I've been with them for 3, and the changes and improvement is vast through those 3 years. So yeah, so that's it. So first step, you just fill your name and your email and your password. And then the second step is you get to your free domain. So that once you put that first step in, a bunch of options of domains will be there. You will just choose which one you want. And then 3, so this is kind of talking about also for your $1, you'll get the affiliate program too, which I'll go over that in the next video more. But so this is just for if you didn't want to be an affiliate, Builderall affiliate, which is free. And it, like I said, it's included in your account as well. So if you join, you'll see, I'm not sure if it automatically makes you an affiliate, but if not, it might be in your dashboard. It'll just say become an affiliate. You just click on that. So it's all included. Okay, but this is what I wanted to show you. This is new. So this is just like how easy the Sales Funnel Club is. So say for real estate, okay, if you funnel, and all of these will already come with your affiliate links included as well, which is super cool. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow when I'm recording my screen, so bear with me a sec. It's a lot faster when I'm not recording my screen, trust me. All right, here we go. So this would be it. And there also will be a lead magnet, like a free book for each niche, specific for each niche. That will already be included in your website as well, your sales funnel. And then, yeah, and the same thing with your email list. You just have to quickly whip one of those up in our email autoresponder, which is included in the premium account. It's unlimited subscribers, which is crazy because that with any other like Aweber or GetResult, you're looking for even 10,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I don't know, it's like $300 a month. So you're getting that as well. Okay, so this just, shows you the funnel, what it'll look like. And if this is, like I said, this is new. So here you click on, so in your account, it'll click on, let me just show you in my account. So this will be in the funnel. So it's under the affiliates side of things, right? So like I said, just join the free affiliate program too. Not only can you make good money with promoting Builderall, but this is where the Funnel Club showcase is. So here, you just click here, and that would, so we're on the real estate, social media. So that will give you, like, done for you ad images and stuff like that. And then here is the ad description specifically for real estate. Okay, and then you just literally just download that, and you got an ad ready to go. And so here, and we add one new sales funnel niche every week, one new one. So this, we have 30 right now. So these are all of them so far. Like I said, each one of these is specific for the niche, right? So the lead magnet that's will be already attached to your website is in there. And like I said, then you just download the social media images and ad descriptions. So these are the 30 we have for you right now. Like, you can't get really much easier than that. And they look cool. And like I said, they're so fast and mobile responsive as well. And then let's see what else we got in here. So like I said, you're getting all this, all 30 of the tools, everything for $1, including the domain. All right. Now for the free account, right? So these are our plan. We have 5 different plans. So even after the 1 month for your $1, you're like, yeah, I don't know if I really need all of these tools. Then you can upgrade or downgrade or whatever you want to do after the month. So here are the plans. So this is where you get the free plan, right? You just start here and your free plan. So you just also get 100 email subscribers. And then we have, like I said, this is the Funnel Club is only under the premium though. But like I said, you save so much money. It's crazy. So like I said, you can just choose one of those plans that's best for you. And that is all, like, it's a lot. Yeah, like I said, unlimited subscribers. All right. And then I wanted to show you, so that's the Sales Funnel Club. That's the easiest way to start. But I'll show you how to build a website, like literally from scratch, super fast. All right. So you go up here, like I said, those are all the different apps, right? So all these, there's some really cool stuff in here. Webinars, e-learning. This is our new e-learning. You can even build apps with us, directory builder, e-commerce as well. All right. So you go up here. Whoa, sorry, where it was. You go to Cheetah. I'm literally going to show you from scratch how easy it is to build a website. Okay, then we just hit here, create new site. Add your title, description, and blank template. These are being added right now. So just go for the blank template. All right, and then that will bring you over to here. And then for adding elements, like this is it. So first fold, so you want that like the top of your website, right? You just pick the one that is, works for you. So let's just say this right now. So just click on that to add. And there's tutorials in the dashboard and even in the web. So there we go. It's just frozen. Okay, so there we go. All right. Right, and then let's just, so there's lots of these, right? So that's the first screen. So then you just click back up here, call it. All right, so there's business banners, blocks, call to actions, checkout banners, contacts, FIQs, funnels, footers, even legal pages like terms of service and stuff like that. Banners, the whole shebang, testimonials. All right, and then when you want to add elements like text and videos, things like that, then you just click on text and then drag it over. So if I wanted, right. So yeah, so these are the other elements as well. Okay. Great tools is like this video. Notice it's not on YouTube, right? So we have what's called a video tag, and you can even add a call to action button in the video, right? Which I probably will have right in the top here of this video. Okay. And then, so say that like, okay, I know I don't want this panel. Well, then you just delete it. Boom, that easy. And then when you want to like either change this words here, you just double click, and then it'll you can just, you know, write what you want. Emails from you, set up a sequence. So with our email autoresponder, you can either broadcast or set up a whole sequence of emails that go out every day or every other day or whenever you want. Really, you can set it for like. Okay, so that is, yes, like this is the website builder. It's very easy to use, and there's lots of tutorials. So yeah, get on board. Like I said, I think it's a no-brainer to do the $1 for the premium account, so you can access all the tools, including the Sales Funnel Club. And just remember, like we have a 30-day, no questions asked guarantee, basically, right? So really, for $1. And you could be making sales online today, because that's how easy it is, especially with the Funnel Club, with the Done For You websites. Okay, cool. So see you in step 2, next page, when I'll go over the affiliate program in a bit more detail. All right, cheers. See you then. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot, before you go, next page, my bonuses. Cheapers. Okay, so this will be for anyone who signs up either to the free or the $1 account. You're going to get a freelance video course. So this will just give you other options you can use Builderall with to make money online. Like website designer, app creator, social media management, sales funnel builder, all that jazz, right? You get that for free, almost $200. And then for the $1 accounts or any other plan you decide to get, like paid plan, you're going to get a website video course as well as an SEO video course. So you get all 3 if you get the $1 one, and just this one if you get the free account. And then so all you have to do to get those is reply to one of my emails, either with your account, the email account you used to sign up to Builderall with, or include that in your Builderall account email to one of my emails. Okay, cool. See you in step 2. Cheers.